Generating numbers from normal distribution in Python. I'm trying to test the speed of generating numbers from normal distribution by using Box-Muller transform against Marsaglia-Polar method. It is said that Marsaglia-Polar method is supposed to be faster than Box-Muller transform because it does not need to compute sin and cos. However, when I code this in Python, this is not true. Can someone verify this or explain to me why this is happening?
For fun, I wrote it up in Go. The Box_Muller function is faster there as well. Also, it's about 10 times faster than the Python version. Output.
Initial